In the world of luxury real estate, the approach to selling high-end properties is continuously evolving. With discerning buyers seeking not just a home but an experience, something that has always worked well for me to sell a property fast is creating the ultimate unique open house experience. Conducting a thoughtful open house not only showcases the property in its best light, but also leaves a lasting impression on the potential buyer, ultimately leading to successful sales and future business growth. Hi, my name is Joe Fitzpatrick with Remax Results in Newport, Rhode Island. In this video, I'm going to share one particular open house that comes to mind and why it was so successful. So we had previously sponsored an event called the Nutcracker at Rosecliff with a local dance and ballet group called the Newport Contemporary Ballet Company. I had scheduled a follow-up with their director. We met for lunch and brainstormed ways that we could work together going forward to both of our benefits. I had a stunning Queen Anne Victorian luxury listing in a very high-end neighborhood. This was in the winter of 2018, and since it was around Christmas time, the house showed really well with all the lights, decorations, and a huge Christmas tree in the front foyer. I pitched the idea of having a themed open house there featuring the dancers from the Nutcracker, and the director loved it. We settled on a $1,500 donation to the school, and we agreed to collaborate on all promotional materials across the social media networks. We served refreshments in the kitchen, had Clara the ballerina doll and the Nutcracker soldier performing in the main living room. Then all the children ballerinas were dressed as mice in each of the 5 bedrooms performing upstairs. It was a very popular and well-attended event that drew a lot of attention locally, with over 100 people attending. The house sold for a great price in a short period of time, and the homeowners were very happy. Now, why was this so successful? First, the entire night was memorable, and buyers will hold on to that experience, hopefully influencing their decision-making process. Having the dancers in the property really resonates with the aspirational aspects of luxury living. So having a stunning performance created an emotional experience that quite possibly established a deeper connection between the buyer and the property, which can increase the likelihood of a successful sale. With many luxury sales in my portfolio and my experience in hosting an open house for each of them, I knew it was important to generate a buzz and unique interest around this specific property. It's key to attracting high net worth buyers, and it creates excitement within the real estate community, drawing attention to the property and increasing its perceived value. Lastly, when it comes to building my own business, investing in this extravagant open house allowed me to build a reputation for delivering exceptional experiences that can lead to repeat business, referrals, and long-term success in this industry. So, in conclusion, creating unique open house experiences is more than just a trend. It's a strategic approach to selling properties and fostering future business growth. By leaving memorable impressions, showcasing lifestyle, building emotional connections, generating buzz, and setting a standard for excellence, real estate professionals can elevate their sales and establish themselves as leaders in the competitive luxury real estate market.